If you're looking to slim down your legs and get toned, sculpted legs, then I have the perfect solution for you. Okay, in this video, we're going to show you a 3-minute workout that you can do every night before you go to sleep to start seeing results on your legs in just a few days. This workout is so good, it's actually one of my top 3 favorite leg workouts of all time. And it's also one of the most convenient because it only takes 3 minutes. Now here's the deal. This workout won't give you the same results as doing 3-hour workouts every day. But if you're consistent with this 3-minute routine, you will see some great results over time. The reason why this works so well is because you're retargeting the leg muscles right before you go to sleep. And by doing so, you're helping with blood flow and circulation, which helps with the removal of waste products from the muscles. This also helps with recovery and reducing inflammation, which is another benefit of working out right before bed. Plus, this workout is very gentle on the body, so it's perfect for those who have knee or back pain. It's also great for beginners who are just starting out on their fitness journey. So give this workout a try and see how it works for you. You might be surprised at the results. Alright, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to lay down on your back with your legs up in the air like this. Now, if this is uncomfortable for you, you can put a pillow underneath your butt to make it more comfortable. So the first thing you do is bring one foot down like this, and you hold it there for 30 seconds. Make sure that your toes are facing straight up the entire time, and make sure that you not arching your back. Should feel a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold this for 30 seconds, and then switch to the other side. Again, hold this for 30 seconds. Now for the next exercise, you're going to bring both feet up towards the ceiling like this. Again, toes facing straight up. Zit. And then you're going to lower both legs down about halfway like this. You should feel a nice stretch in the front of your thighs and in your calves. Hold this for 30 seconds. Now for the last exercise, you're going to bring both legs up towards the ceiling like this, and you're going to lift up into a single leg. Hold this for 30 seconds. Make sure that you're breathing the entire time, and make sure that you not holding your breath. So that's it. That's the entire workout. You just repeat these 3 exercises for 3 minutes, and you're done. So give this workout a shot, and let us know how it works for you.